I'm Ryan Beavis, I'm the chairman of Clwb Cycling Club, and we're about to go for a bit of a jaunt over the showground. Started back in late summer, probably got around 40-50 members at the moment, most of them youngsters like what we've got here, and we do sessions over at Royal Welsh Showground here, teaching the kids cyclocross, and just how to ride a bike basically.
Feet on the pedals, feet on the pedals!
Cyclocross starts around September through to sort of this time of year, December, sort of early January. There's a lot of talent in Bill. Last weekend, little Alfie, he won the under-10s, and Cian won the cyclocross Welsh champs. I wanted to give something to Cian. We've got a little cap here for you. Go on your bike, look, and everyone will know then. You're Welsh champ. So well done. Good man. Well done,
Fi wedi rasio fel Welsh champs a ennill a wedi wneud tipyn o nationals hefyd. Roedd ni yn reidio i tawi riders yn Clwb, ond roedd hwnna'n rhy peth i mynd, felly roedd ni wedi joinio y Bilf Bulls achos mae'n local.
Dwi'n hoffi cyclocross, oherwydd ti'n mynd on-road a off-road. Blwyddyn diwethaf roeddwn ni wedi mynd yn y Welsh Championships, ond roeddwn ni wedi dod olaf, ond roeddwn ni wedi mwynhau llawer.
At the moment, we've not done a lot of work getting the club out there. It's all been word of mouth, really. But we'd like to take the club to schools, get more kids on bikes and enjoying themselves.
Our aim as a club is to develop talent, hopefully professional riders. We've done it in the past and hopefully continue to do that.